Good day, boys and girls. This is day 4 directions for your week 3 packet. For reading today, you are going to read these sentences about howler monkeys, and you're going to choose whether or not those sentences are facts or opinion. Just go ahead and circle the sentence, okay? You're doing that on this page and this page, okay? That is what you are doing for reading on day 4. For writing, you have community compassion. You can choose if you would like to, it says to brainstorm ways you would like to share care and compassion in your home or community. So you have to write 5 ways you could share care and compassion. How can you show care and compassion to your family or to people in your community? And then choose one thing you would like to do this week to show compassion and write it below. Then make it happen. I want you to do it. And then it says write a reflection on what you did and how you felt sharing compassion for others. So maybe you did something for your sister or brother, or for your mom or your dad. How did you feel when you did those things? Okay? So that's something, it's something that you're going to have to probably come back and write your reflection later, because it's going to have to be something that you do after you write your ideas down, okay? And then for grammar, you are going to rewrite each statement correctly. A statement is a sentence that ends with a period. So all of these are going to be ending. You need to end in periods and make sure all of them have capital letters at the beginning. Write the words correctly, boys and girls. The words are spelled correctly in the sentence, so you should be able to spell them correctly when you write them as well. For math, you have some number riddles that you are going to do. Just solve the riddle and circle the correct answer. And then also it's another place value paper page. So you are going to do what value for the underlined digit. So they underlined the 4 on the first number, which means that's 400. The 4 is in the hundreds place, so it's 400. Okay, you look at the next number. 7 is in the what place? So how many is that? 4 is in the what, and then on the third one, 4 is what they underlined. What place is it, and what does that mean the value is then? Over here, they're just asking you what digit's in the hundreds place. So reading these numbers, what's the digit, what's the number that's in the hundreds place? What's the number in the hundreds? What's in the number in the hundreds place? This one is what numbers are in the ones place, and these ones are what number is in the tens place. And then for social studies and science, okay, we talked about these here for social studies. You are using this word bank down here to fill in these blanks. And look at the pictures while you're doing it. A what is a community filled with people, blank, and different types of transportation. And then a blank is a community that is a smaller town near a larger what. And then this last one, a blank is a community that has open space and few homes in the blank. Okay? Use these word banks. And then for science, you are going to draw the picture up here. Or if you want to number these off 1, 2, 3, or number which ones down here where they would go for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we could do this. And then you can write the numbers that you would match them with down here. If you don't want to color, that is perfectly fine with me, okay? All right, that is your directions for day 4. I will have another video for day 5 next.